what is your energy signature and how can it affect your spell work? Hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and if you're new to Wicca and you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I want to share with you what the energy signature is and how your energy signature works and how you can use that in your spellcraft to be better at spellcraft. So what is your energy signature? It's your vibration, it's your vibe, okay? You know people. Let me know in the comments field if you've met people and you just instantly know there's something going on with them and you don't like their vibe. Let me know in the comments field how you experienced that, how you knew there was something untoward about that person. No doubt you experienced it in your body, right? Let me know. I do love to read the comments. So your energy signature is your vibration. It's what you're giving out to the world. It's what you're giving out to the universe. And a lot of it is actually dictated by your beliefs and the emotions that you feel a result of your beliefs. We know a lot more about the subconscious mind now than we ever have, and so we understand that our nervous system is very much dictated by our thoughts and by our thoughts, which actually can dictate our feelings. So if we're in a certain emotional state, you may notice that your body will be in a certain posture. So for example, if you can think of a time when you felt really maybe you were in a funk, maybe you were, just feeling off about yourself. If you take your mind back, your memory back to that, just notice what happens to your body when you remember that feeling. It's probably caving in on itself, and you're probably getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. And your energy signature as a result of that, is actually probably also going to get smaller, and it's going to be affecting the environment around you at the same time, because it's giving signals to the universe that this is where you are, and you may end up attracting the same thing to you over and over and over again until that energy signature is changed. So when you want to do spell work, your energy signature needs to match what you're wanting with your spell work. So if you're doing a love spell, for example, your energy signature needs to match the love that you're wanting to bring into your life. So you need to feel lovable, and you need to feel attractive, and you need to also love yourself. But how do you go about doing that if your experiences from your past have not been that great? It's hard to do that, and that's where spell work can be really, really difficult. So here's what you can do to change your energy signature to match the desire of your spell so that you can use it in your spell work to help you do better spell work. And it's as simple as this. If our emotions are felt in our bodies, which they are, our emotions affect our posture and the way we hold our body. The reverse is actually the same. We can change the way we feel emotionally by changing our body posture. And this is something that has been studied again and again and again, and is a fact. That if you are feeling anxious or fearful about something, and you hold a confident body posture, and this is all part of NLP too, by the way, you can actually start to feel more confident. The same if you're feeling really down and out. You'll find that your posture will be really caved in. If you actually put your posture into the opposite feeling of that, the opposite of that, you can actually come out of that down feeling. And the way that you do that is using memory. So for example, think back to a time. So if you're doing spell for love, for example, and you're wanting to feel attractive and you're wanting to feel lovable so that you can attract the love that you want to attract to you, and you're also wanting to feel love as you are love, think back to a time when you experienced feeling lovable. Think back to a time when you experienced being love. Think back to a time when you felt good about yourself and attractive. And it can be any time from your history, in any circumstance. And notice that when you go into that memory, how it changes your body posture. No doubt your body posture is probably opened up, Okay, so in magic we say that one of the biggest blocks to magical success is lust for result. In law of attraction they say that you're not being open to receiving or allowing. Your energy signature, when it's closed in like this, is not open to allowing. But when you start to feel into the emotions or a memory of having achieved what it is you're wanting to achieve with your spell, even though it might not have anything to do with love magic, your body's opened up and it's ready to receive. So all you have to do is hold that posture for a couple of minutes and practice that for a few days before you actually go into doing your spell, so that as soon as you go in to start your spell, all you have to do is hold that posture and you will start, your energy signature will start to line up with that desire, because you've actually programmed your body to be in that emotional state. And what you'll find is, just as an experiment, if you hold that new posture for 2 to 5 minutes and just hold it, you will start to feel different emotionally. You might start to feel more confident about yourself. You may start to feel more attractive. You may start to feel more lovable. You may start to feel like you are loved more. Try it and see. Just try it. Let me know in the comments field how it feels when you put yourself in the posture that you were in when you were in that positive memory. Even if you're not, you don't have to remember that memory anymore. All you have to do is hit the posture. And that posture will actually change your nervous system. So your emotions affect your posture, and your posture affects your emotions. So use this in your magic. For any type of thing that you're doing with your magic, use this. Go into that body state first, get used to it, because there will be some resistance to it. You may find that when you start just holding the posture, that your body's going to want to start to creep back into how it normally goes. You have to acknowledge that desire and just say, I hear you, body, but right now we're going to stick with this posture. Observe the resistance, don't judge it, don't try to dominate it or change it or suppress it or oppress it or any of those things. Just acknowledge it's there. I just say, no, I'm going to stay in this posture and enjoy how it feels. And then take that posture into your spell work. So let me know how you go with that in the comments field below. If you want to help your spell work even more, I now have a Spellcasters Checklist that you can download free from my website. So all you have to do is click on the link below this video. That is the Spellcasters Checklist, and it goes through a number of questions that will help you get more clear about your spell work, that will help you be able to plan your spell work in a much more strategic kind of way, so that you'll get hopefully better results from your spell work. So do download that. It's only 2 pages long, and it's well worth the time that you spend thinking about your spell before you actually start going in and doing it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends, comment, and I will see you on the next video. Blessed be.